Hi guys, welcome back again to another video. On today's video I'm making lasagna. This lasagna is an experiment. I've never made it on my own, but today I'm just going to give it a go, and I believe that it's going to taste very delicious. So if today is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Billy. On this channel, I bring to you guys cooking, different recipe, weight loss recipe, tips. Sometimes I review a product as well. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share to families and friends. I will really appreciate it. And leave your comment below. Have you tried lasagna before? Let me know on the comment section. This is homemaking with Billy. So I just finished cutting my onions now, which I'm going to be using on this the mincemeat, which is going to be going with today's lasagna. I'm just going to fry the onions now for a while, maybe between 1 minute. It should do. I'm just going to allow it to fry so that it can release that fragrance, scent of onion. So now I'm going to add my mincemeat and I'll continue to fry. I'm still going to continue to fry this mincemeat until everything is thoroughly combined. And here are my ingredients for the lasagna. Here is lasagna sauce, which is tomato sauce, and here is my lasagna sheets, as well as the cream, lasagna cream that is going to go on this recipe for today. I'm just going to continue to fry this. Now I'm going to add the lasagna tomato sauce. As I'm adding it, I'm going to continue to fry it together. Then I'm going to be adding the ingredients, like the cube, the pepper, and other ingredients that is going to go with this mincemeat. Now I've just added the nut cube. Sorry guys, the paper dropped. So as you can see, it's really cooking very well. I'm just going to combine the cube together. I'm just going to cover it to cook for a while. Look at it now, it's almost ready. I'm just going to give it a final mix together. The oil is already started forming at the top, so that means that this lasagna sauce is cooking very well. So here is my bowl and my lasagna sheet. I'm going to boil this in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here's my lasagna cream sauce. If you notice that homemade lasagna tastes so different compared to the one that you buy from the supermarket. I think I noticed the difference when I made this lasagna at home. So wow, guys, this is not how it should go. I supposed to layer the sheet first, my lasagna sheet first before putting the minced meat. Well, it caused no harm. I'm just going to, come back to it later. So this is my lasagna sheet water. I'm going to boil it now. I'll just sprinkle a little bit of salt to give this lasagna sheet a little bit of taste, and is boiling. I'm just going to use this my spatula to separate it so that it will not stick together, because otherwise it's going to be hard for me to separate when I'm ready to use it. So now it's ready. I'm going to drain the water. Drain the water on the sink here. I'm just using my hand to separate it so that it will be easier for me to use. So here's my lasagna, my minced meat, sorry. So as you can see here, I added it on the bowl before the lasagna sheet. Well, is it going to be the same anyway? So now I'm laying my lasagna sheet over the minced meat, and I'm going to continue this process until all the sheet are done. This recipe is really quick and easy, although it could sometimes it could take more time, but it's still easy. And now I've just adding the lasagna cream sauce. I'm using my spatula to spread it over, and then I'll be adding the minced meat on top. So I'm continuing to be layering the lasagna sheets. You continue this process until everything is done. I have to say, surprisingly, that this lasagna tastes so delicious. I love it. It is so beautiful because I made it on my own, and then I can add any type of thing that I want. I'm just going to add the rest of the lasagna cream now. Spread it over again with your spatula, and then you're going to add the rest of the minced meat, and then you cover it up with the rest of the I'm done adding mincemeat now, so I'm just going to cover it with the lasagna sheet. So now I'm going to put it in the oven to bake for about 45 minutes. What I didn't show on this video is when I added my cheese on top of the lasagna. So I've already added the cheese on top of the lasagna out of the camera. So you can see now my lasagna is now ready. I'm just going to use my spoon to serve it on this beautiful plate, and this lasagna will be ready to eat. Look at that, guys, so beautiful and tastes so delicious. I love it. Try it, guys. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Thanks for watching.